Welcome back to Dlux Motorsports. Today we are looking at a real nice 2014 F150. This is the 5.0 motor. It's not the 3.5 EcoBoost, this is the 5.0 gas motor. It's a very clean truck, has been taken very good care of. It's got a 6-inch lift kit on it. It's running some 37-inch Nitto mud grapplers. It's got some, I'm pretty sure 20 by 12s on it, I'm not 100% sure. The paint of this truck is in excellent condition. Undercarriage is looking real good. We'll go ahead and take a look at the inside. Start at the back seats here. We do got a leather interior. It's in very good shape. Pretty basic back seat. These can be folded up for storage underneath. Got a little charger port right there. As I was saying, pretty basic. Go ahead to the front. You've got the steering wheel controls right there for radio, for controlling the electronic dash. Your headlight switch over here. This is standard radio. This vehicle does come with a backup camera. Leather interior, as I was saying, very good condition. Carpets are also in excellent condition. We'll get a nice little start up for you guys. It does have an exhaust on it. Take a look at it. If you're looking for a lifted truck in the 20s, this is perfect for you. Come on in and take a look at it. Dlux Motorsports, check us out Facebook, Instagram, check out our website, all that. Come on and take a look at it.